Did you know that a vegan diet can change your body in just 1 month? Yes, in just 30 days, you can experience a remarkable transformation that goes beyond just weight loss. Many people report feeling lighter, having more energy, and even sleeping better. Imagine waking up every day feeling refreshed and ready to take on the world. And it's not just about how you feel, it's also about how you look. Many notice a significant improvement in their skin, with a clearer, more radiant complexion. Imagine your body running on the power of plants. The vibrant colors of fruits and vegetables are not just pleasing to the eye, they are packed with nutrients that your body craves. This is what happens when you choose a vegan lifestyle. You start to enjoy meals that are not only delicious, but also nourishing for your body and soul. In this essay, we will explore the incredible transformations your body undergoes when you embrace a vegan diet for 30 days. From increased energy levels to improved digestion, the benefits are numerous. We'll uncover the positive changes, address potential challenges, and provide tips on how to make the transition smoother. Whether it's finding the right recipes or understanding nutritional needs, we've got you covered, and equip you with the knowledge to embark on your own plant-based journey. So are you ready to discover the power of plants and transform your life? Let's dive in and see what a plant-powered you can achieve. The first few days of going vegan are crucial. This is the time when your body begins to adjust to the new diet and lifestyle changes you are making. Your body starts to detoxify as you eliminate animal products from your diet. This process helps in cleansing your system and can lead to noticeable improvements in your overall well-being. This means you are removing foods that may have slowed you down. As you replace them with nutrient-dense, plant-based options, you will likely start to feel more energized and vibrant. You might experience mild headaches or fatigue, but don't worry, this is normal. These symptoms are just a sign that your body is adjusting and beginning to heal. Drink plenty of water and herbal teas to help your body flush out toxins. Staying hydrated is key to supporting your body's natural detoxification processes. Focus on eating whole, plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that will nourish your body and support your health. You are giving your body a fresh start. Embrace this journey with positivity and patience, knowing that each step you take is a step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. After a month of eating vegan, you'll likely notice significant changes. Your energy levels might soar as your body thrives on nutrient-rich plant foods. Many people report improved digestion and less bloating. And that's not all. Your skin may become clearer, and you might even experience weight loss. These are just some of the amazing benefits of fueling your body with plants. Section 4. Challenges and how to overcome them. In this section, we'll explore the common obstacles people face when transitioning to a vegan lifestyle and provide practical tips to overcome them. Going vegan can be easy, but it's important to be aware of potential challenges. One of the first hurdles is understanding what to buy and how to prepare meals that meet your nutritional needs. You need to ensure you're getting enough protein, iron, and vitamin B12. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining energy levels, muscle function, and overall health. But don't worry, these nutrients are abundant in plant-based foods. With a bit of knowledge and planning, you can easily incorporate them into your diet. Include legumes, tofu, tempeh, and other protein-rich foods in your meals. These ingredients are versatile and can be used in a variety of delicious recipes, and leafy greens in your diet. Leafy greens are not only rich in iron but also packed with other essential vitamins and minerals. Consider taking a B12 supplement to cover all your bases. B12 is primarily found in animal products, so a supplement ensures you get enough of this vital nutrient. With a little planning, you can enjoy a delicious and nutritious vegan lifestyle. Meal prepping and exploring new recipes can make the transition smoother and more enjoyable. Section 5. Ready to begin? Your vegan journey starts now. Switching to a vegan diet is an act of kindness to animals, the planet, and yourself. Embrace the journey and enjoy the incredible transformation it brings. Tip: start by incorporating one vegan meal into your day. Then gradually increase plant-based meals as you feel comfortable. You've got this!